Unlocking the meanings of up and under in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the English language and unravel the meanings behind the phrases up and under. These words can be a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using them like a native speaker. Let's get started. Up is a word that can be used in many different contexts. It generally refers to a higher position or movement towards a higher place. For example, when you wake up, you move from lying down to sitting or standing. But up can also mean increasing or improving, as in, sales are up. On the flip side, under usually means in a lower position relative to something else. If you're under the weather, it means you're not feeling well. It can also indicate less than an amount or younger than an age, like under $50 or under 18 years of age. When we put these two words together, it doesn't just combine their individual meanings. Up and under can refer to a sports maneuver where a player makes a move upwards and then underneath an obstacle or opponent. It's a phrase that brings the idea of a clever, skillful move that involves a change in direction or position. Figuratively speaking, up and under can describe a situation where someone navigates through a complex issue with agility and smarts. It's about overcoming challenges in a way that might not be straightforward but is effective nonetheless. There you have it. Whether used literally or figuratively, up and under is all about direction, position, and sometimes, the element of surprise in the way we navigate through spaces and problems. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel more confident using these phrases in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.